In the vast expanse of space, where the stars twinkle like distant diamonds, lies a hidden menace that threatens our universe. Garbage. Yes, garbage. We've all heard of the pollution plaguing our oceans and land. But did you know that space isn't immune to this problem? Over the years, space agencies and private companies have launched satellites, probes, and spacecraft into orbit. But what happens when these missions end? What becomes of the countless fragments and debris left behind? Space debris poses a significant risk to active satellites and spacecraft. Even a small bolt traveling at high speeds can cause catastrophic damage. Astronauts risk their lives every time they venture outside the safety of their spacecraft. Just imagine dodging thousands of tiny, deadly projectiles while floating in the vacuum of space. And it's not just astronauts in danger. Every collision creates even more debris, perpetuating a dangerous cycle known as the Kessler syndrome. Fortunately, scientists and engineers around the world are working tirelessly to mitigate this threat. From tracking debris to developing new technologies for debris removal, there's hope on the horizon. It's imperative that we take action now to prevent a cascade of collisions that could render space exploration impossible for future generations. Imagine a future where our skies are clear once again. Where space exploration can thrive without fear of debris-related accidents. Together, we can ensure that the final frontier remains a place of wonder and discovery for all mankind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And of course, let us know your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below.